This is Sue's birthday where it says one. Happy birthday to me. So you guys, the cake. So that is the cake. I don't know how they managed to do it. I don't know. Yay! Here is the cake, guys. Faith did such a beautiful job. So proud of her.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Good morning, good morning. It is now 10:30. Pops just woke up and it's Pop's birthday. Yay! Hi! Hello, handsome. I'm gonna say good morning. Say hi, guys. Say good morning. So it is Pop's birthday and I got up a bit ago. I'm gonna go brush my teeth now and get my hair sorted out and get myself today because we are doing Pop's photo shoot for his birthday, an at-home photo shoot. As you guys can see, I did show you the decorations. We did them the night before. Hopefully they're not fully all dropped down. The balloons them have been popping and all sorts of stuff. So I want to get that done. And yeah, so I'm gonna go on my itinerary today. So is to go get myself together. I got 3 outfits for him laid out. Is it three or 4 outfits I bought for him? 3 outfits for his photo shoots that I remember so far. So we're going to do that. Mr. Williams is out getting some stuff done, so he will be back shortly. And yeah, we're gonna do a cute little photo shoot for, and I hear him out there pulling off the decorations. So let me show you guys what we have for him to wear. So this is his main fit because that's his suit for his birthday where it says 1. And then we have a full white, and then we have a black suit. So those are the 3 colors for his photo shoot. What are you doing in there? Come here. Come here. Hey. Say hello. Come here. What are you doing in the bathroom? Yay. Say, look by my face. I'll have white squall. Come and just wake up. Say happy birthday to me. Say it. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Give mommy a kiss. Feisty little boy. Come here. I can't believe you're 1 today. Yay. Last year this time mommy was happy. Actually, no. I already had you. Yes, because it's 10:30 now. Yes, I would have already had. Romario! Hello, boy. You start we lost the toilet paper. Come out to the bathroom. Out. Tata. So this is why I have to always lock the thing, because he's learned how to open up the toilet. So I'm gonna have to get the toilet clamps put on. But what? Sometimes even getting those things, they work for kids and they also work for some adults that don't know how to use them. So the adults them won't be able to open up the toilet either when they need to go, because it's not everybody know how to use them. So I'm probably gonna have to get that. He's starting to go in the cupboards and pulling everything out. And in the garbage too, because he's learned how to put his feet on the garbage, because our garbage is a Romario. Oh my lord. So We go take out the bottle out of the recycling for. Give it to me. Tata. Give me that. You see a little face? Where's Fate? Oh, guys. Oh, my gosh. Romario, he can say Risa. Say Risa. Where's Risa? No, I know you're looking for say Risa. I'm going to have to try and get him. Yeah, so he's learned how to say Risa. You hear him? Risa. Risa. Where's Risa? He's calling her. But I'm gonna have to go. Let me see if I could go closer so you guys could hear. Say Risa. Where's Risa? Say Risa. 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 I told you guys, he's sometimes only when he feels like he will actually say it. Say Risa. You know, say Risa. Huh? Say Risa. Risa. Huh? Where's Risa? Where's Risa, Papa? Where's Risa? The boy now said no Risa, yeah, guys. I'm gonna have to get him to see it. Where's Risa? Risa. Risa. Tata. Give me that. Say Risa. Risa. Give me that too. Say Risa. Yeah, so he sometimes, when he feels like saying stuff, he says it. See, he just said it and I didn't even catch him. Risa. Risa. Thank you. Good boy. Thank you. Yay. Yeah, they clap. And he knows how to say thank you. He's starting to count and say his ABCs. But him stuck on the one. He will say one and jeer the other numbers. But with his ABCs, he's getting good with those too. But like, I guess you have to really be around him to understand what he's saying. Because, you know, he's still not fully talking. He knows a few words. But it's so cute that he knows how to say Risa. Oh, and I will show you guys his birthday gift. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. I know, it's so cute. So we're probably gonna go to the park today because it is beautiful out. So we'll probably do that. And then now tomorrow we have a surprise for him. And yeah, we got the whole day planned tomorrow. So you guys definitely see that as well. No. Oh Lord. And he's pulling everything off the table, guys. I mean everything. He's pulling everything down. Papa, leave it. Leave it. Here, you want goldfish? Come, mommy get you some goldfish. Let's see if I can put some goldfish on. And yeah, so Faith is going to finish up the cake today because she did them. She's just gonna do the icing. So she's gonna get that done. She made his smash cake. And she made original. It's so funny. The only time I put on Miss Rachel for him is like to kind of keep him. The only time I put on Miss Rachel for him, guys, is just to keep him, you know, from getting himself into stuff. But at times he doesn't even sit and watch it, which I love because you don't really want them being, you know, scream babies. So I try, but he watches other cartoons too. Yeah, so it's not always Miss Rachel. He actually likes watching grown up cartoons, like, well, not grown up cartoon, but like what do you call them, toddlers? What are the stage from toddler? Kids cartoon? Yeah, he likes watching those as well. So we are going to get here. Papa, you want a bath? So what I'm gonna go do now, I'm gonna go brush my teeth and get my hair together, and get my makeup, because for him it doesn't take nothing to get him together. It's just to wash him off and do his hair and just put him in his clothes. Guys, like I said, I don't know if I said this in my other vlog, like I bought him six pair of shoes. Let me go show you guys the shoes. I'm gonna end up probably give them away, because when I got them, this size them were too small, but I guess it was on my end, because when I ordered them, they were like infant 1, 2, and it kind of gave you the size like size 11 and stuff like that, and I thought that was the size of his feet, but then not realizing that it's for like baby. So I'm going to show you guys that. Let me actually show you guys the shoes. Okay. So I am so bummed out about the shoes not fitting him. Just because the shoes would have gone perfectly. Like, when I mean, they would have gone really good with, yeah, like, what I mean, like, how they would have gone really good with what you had to wear. They didn't. They're not going to. So, let me show you guys. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. And it's such a disappointment, too, because, man, I really wanted him, you know, in higher. So, but the funny thing, I ordered the stuff that I need last minute. So I ordered this to do his shoe size, because obviously I didn't know what size he wear. But the other shoes that we have are bigger, slight bigger than his feet. I think they're like a. So I had ordered him these. So white shoes, like I said, it was all white outfit. So I got him these ones, but these are size 19, but they're small. And I think it was the wrong size when I did the sizing, because I think it was like infant 2 or something like that. I also got him these. Well, these are just shoes like I ordered him for his birthday. And these are, say, baby shoes, but these are 14, but these are small as well, because they said, I think it was infant, because they have infant to toddler, right? And he's still, well, I guess he's considered maybe what, a toddler now? I don't even remember how it goes. But anyways, so, and I got him these cute things here, you know, just some easy shoes, because they're not too heavy, but they are able to air out his feet. Okay, you know, it is pretty much, it's a summertime. It's summertime now anyways, the weather is warm. So, yeah, so, and these are 11.5, so well, I guess it would have been like 11 and a half. So I thought they would have fit him, because I did like infant, like the last close to toddler, because you have toddler 1 and toddler 2, like the measurements that they gave. So when I was looking on the website, that's what I thought I was ordering him, because I had ordered these cute ones, guys. Oh my gosh. So I ordered these cute ones, like Mario's, to actually go with his black outfit. So these are what he would have worn with the black outfit. He would have worn the white ones with it. And then for his birthday outfit, he would have had these other cute ones to wear. So, but unfortunately, yeah, so these cute ones, so these are like Mario's too. But these, unfortunately, none of these can fit them. And these are 11. So these are like for baby, like tiny babies. So I have 4, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only 1 out of the 6 shoes that fit him. And those are his little teddy bear Crocs, because I got him some teddy bear Crocs. And those are the only one that fit him. So, yeah, that really bombed things up for me, which I wasn't too happy with, because I was like, man, but you know what? At least, like, I can always give them to somebody, you know, that is having a baby and in need of shoes. And they could be, well, some of them, obviously, a couple of them, you know, say they are boys, but the other ones, they're girls, so they could always fit boy and girls. The other ones, like the white ones, the gray one can be boy or girl, or the other white with the color ones could either be boy or girl, and then the other two ones, dress ones, you know, those are for boys. So I was really bummed out about that. So yeah, but I'm going to get myself together now, and then when Pops come back, when I come back, so when I come back, guys, I'll be in my birthday suit. So I think I was thinking about putting up his hair in one, but I don't know. So I'll either put it up or like I will just like wet it up, brush it, and then leave it curly. Yeah. Yeah, look at this morning, Krusty. You're gonna go bed? Nasty boy? Yeah, we're gonna go shower. Are you gonna go bathe? Yeah, you're gonna go bed. You're gonna go bed and get ready. Okay? Yeah. Alright guys, so I'll be back when I am finished my hair and stuff. Yeah, and the only reason why I'm even really fully kind of putting on makeup and stuff is because I am doing a part, we're doing a mom and son photo shoot as well. Yeah, so we're gonna do that part as well, so I'm excited for that. Yay! But like how he's up, I want to do everything before he decides to fall asleep. And yeah, I'm gonna see if that gonna wheel out his gift. I think he's going to love it. Love it. I know, me and Mario was like, he doesn't need any more toys. He doesn't need anything else. But no, he's a child. He does say, I do, even though it's my first birthday, I need more stuff. Because half the stuff we buy him, he'd rather take out the pots and pans out of the drawer and play with that. And play with everything else but the toys that he has. But yeah, he's sometimes my chance. Yeah, and I just went out and bought him even more stuff yesterday. Yeah. Yay. Okay, guys. So we will be back soon. Say bye. Say bye. Let me show you guys the cake. So that is the cake there. That's the dough before. And then the other pieces, the other one is right here. That's his smash cake. And then that's going to be his big boy cake. So, yeah, we ate off all the cupcakes. We couldn't wait. So Faith is about to make the icing for the cake, and yeah. So oh, look at the cake! Oh my gosh, how do you guys think Faith did? Guys, she did an amazing job. Oh, she did amazing. So Faith is taking cake orders. If you guys would like to order your cake, yeah. Right? Big up my baker. Psst. Yeah. Big up my baker. Oh.
I'm not your baker. I'm Romario'S baker.
Okay, Romario'S baker. Well, big you up anyways. And your assistant will help you put on the decorations. This is the setup here. Yeah, the worst thing I did, like, I don't know if I would ever do this again, but I don't know. I don't know how I managed to do it. I don't know if it's the balloons. Some of them have been bursting. Right, so some of the balloons have been popping like crazy, but that is the setup. Yeah, don't mind the mess because this house is in limbo. We're still finishing the little final. Don't mind the mess. We're still doing the final touches for Pops to come out. He's all dressed, guys, and yeah, we're gonna do this shoot so you guys to get to see everything that is going on. And that dinner is just about done too, because we cooked dinner and everything, so I'm just doing the last minute touch. Let me turn down the fan. Ugh. He is doing his smash cake now, and there, that is going to be Pop's smash cake. Oh my gosh, that is so cute, and it says 1. So she's just putting the little touches on it, and that is going to be it. Happy birthday, Pops! Yay! Look at the birthday boy! Yay. Hi! Yay! You in the car?
Look at me, Papa.
Look at his birthday gift.
Hi.
Look at the birthday boy.
Don't mind me. Hi, Papa.
So
Hello.
we also have our
Papa.
photographer here taking.
Papa.
Look this way, Papa. Oh, do you want this? Ooh, what's this? Yeah, is that good? Say hello. Yay! You want one of these ones? There you go. Good boy. You
We're
want a
photo
lollipop?
bombing him. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Yeah,
Look at me.
good boy. Yum.
Give peace. Hi. Give peace.
So, hey guys. Stop. So, like we're showing you guys here, this is the
Papa.
at-home photo
Papa.
shoot.
Hi.
Yay! No Hitler sign. Hey! Yeah. Oh. Hi! Alright, so as you can see, we're doing the photo shoot. Mr. Williams just went to hurry up and put on his clothes. Hi, is that good? Is that good? Look at him, guys. He is having a field day.
Take you up, take you up.
Yeah.
Take you up, take you up. Put your hand
Yay! So I got all my helpers in here.
like so. Okay, ready? Ready?
Yeah,
Look, come on,
help
come on.
them.
Come on. Look at me, look at me.
Okay. Oh, that's so good. I'm coming by.
Hurry up,
Yes! Oh, look at you. All right, time for outfit change. We're gonna switch it out the outfits. We'll be back. Doing a father and son shoot. Mario is boy. It was so hard to take the pictures with him. Oh.
Mommy, your leg in here.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Look at that. Go boy.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yay. Oh my gosh, guys.
Okay.
This was a task and a half.
Galangin ito, mommy.
All right. Okay.
Go on in there too.
You know, said this wasn't the one. Okay, well, I'll just go in there because it wasn't the one, but that's okay. Let me see. I'm gonna leave the camera rolling. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna squeeze in the photo.
Give him Jordan so he like people to
Okay, let me see something. Yeah. There's one thing that I wanted to do. Let me see. Sit still, Papa. Sit still. Okay.
Side down. Hi.
Okay. So what are we gonna do, babe? We're gonna do a smash cake in that.
In that close.
Hello, don't take your practice, you know. It's in a fire.
Ito na pa niya already ang jump forward na yun. Siya mo yan sa in-drop. Oh, siya mo yan sa in-drop in the car. Milafa niya si. Ito so mean na natin. Ikaw, bitan siya na step pa niya.
Okay. So you see with the smash cake, they left them something there. So maybe I'll take
off
his
his shirt.
And then okay, so we'll do that, and then.
I got some picture though. When you scroll down. You're just like here.
There's a picture that we did.
Don't break it!
Oh, there's this one.
You should have.
Yeah. So me I'll come to the other side, Mario, and we'll go put Pops in the middle to stand up in the car.
An ant went to the bank of a river to quench its thirst, and being carried away by the rush of the stream, was on the point of drowning.
Yes,
A
there we
dove
go,
sitting
there you
on
go.
a tree,
Look, bunny!
seeing the water,
Mario!
a leaf, and let it fall into the stream close to her. The ant climbed
Bakit
on
yamping
it
na yung steering
and
wheel?
floated in safety to the bank.
Hi!
Shortly afterwards,
Look!
a bird catcher came and stood under the
One
tree
thing, make him stand up. Make him stand up.
and laid
Stand up.
his blind
Put the bow tie on him. Put the bow tie back on.
which sat in the
Oh.
branches.
Yan,
The
nami.
ant, perceiving his design, stung him in the foot. In pain, the bird catcher
Boom, boom. We're whooping your guy.
Me, I open.
You sure? You want that? Yes. One. Yes. Mario Messi. We are good for. That's the way. You know. One.
He was just doing it.
Papa.
Hey, look, boy. One.
He had everything. What?
One. Look at you, so cute. One. Good one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One.
Hi, Papa.
Give me a hug.
Hug?
Give me one kiss, sister. Give mommy a kiss. Tata, kiss.
Romario.
Mommy kiss. That's so hard, mommy. That's okay.
Your fears dope.
Okay. You ready for the smash cake? All right, smash cake time. Okay. Come. I gotta strip you down. So Mario lopsided the thing. So this is Pop's smash cake, guys. Come the ring light. Put the ring light.
Yeah.
So this is Pop's smash cake, guys. Yeah.
Puff it up.
Love it. So we're just gonna put up the.
Someone ready? Come on, let's get yourself ready.
Okay.
Scared. Romario.
All right. Oh wait, where's the thing? That's the one that lights, right?
Yeah, not this part. It doesn't give this part. The other one gives this part.
Okay. No, yeah, the other one. So.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna.
Yeah, when you sit down and let your hand in on better.
Click me at the camera.
Okay, Mario's gonna put him down so he gets his cake.
Wait.
Wait, we're gonna light it.
Start the phone. Wait, the lighty.
Okay, you wanna take the picture first and then.
We can light the other one.
Hello, don't light in your brain yourself.
Okay, we won't light this one. We'll light the other one.
Or you can take out that Sunday too.
No, make it stay in there.
Okay. But yes, we have 2 seconds. Get your phone. Everybody get their phone. Or my
Okay.
phone. Hurry up. I'm passing you, mommy. Quick.
Hi, handsome.
When you
Are
give
you
me
ready?
like this.
Put him to
We have-
sit. Yeah.
Wait, I'm scared. I'm scared. Please. My heartbeat.
Wait.
Wait.
Make it
You
sit.
ready?
Stand.
Wait.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay, hurry up.
No, don't give me that. I kick my thing in the.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready. Yay! Eat. Yum.
Yummy. Yes.
Yum. Is it good?
They're planning to sit down.
Take.
Mommy, can you move in the box, the decorations more?
Yeah, it's more.
Hmm?
Hold on, put that one in hand.
Okay, hold on for a second. Give me 1 second. 1 second.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah, go.
Second.
Wait, please. I'm looking for
Pick up the candle.
Oh God. I'm just looking for the wife to wipe up some of it.
Hold on, put that in.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, sit.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Hi, eat the
Yay!
Right.
Look at that, Papa.
Put the honey knife.
Yeah.
Okay, move. Put the honey knife again. Yeah.
You don't need to open this hand in that.
Look.
Mmm.
Yummy.
Yes.
Yay. Yummy.
Good boy. Yay! Don't pass too far.
Oh.
Yummy. Is that good?
Nice.
Yum, yum.
Yeah.
Yes, look. Yep, yum, yum.
Yummy.
Yeah. Yes. Yummy.
Nice.
I'm gonna eat the cake. That's not fair. I don't get none.
Good boy.
Yay. The cake. Please, Romario. Please. Queen Messi.
That's okay. The photoshoot's done anyways.
Yay.
Good
Get on
boy.
here yet? Stop. That's all I hear.
Yes. One more.
Let me get a piece. Let me get a piece.
Hey, no, cool, man.
Come, Papa. Here.
Let me get a piece.
Here, Papa. Look. Come here.
Oi.
Here, Tata. Look. Romario.
Take that, Papa.
Romario, here. Here.
Mirage chocolate.
Come here. Here.
Yummy.
Okay, mommy.
What feels? Let me get a piece.
Let me get piece of that. Okay, hello, no, go clean him up.
No, go back to my.
Hello.
Oh, yes, my
I'm gonna go wipe him off.
Come here, baby.
Sit down. Hey, let me go. Here, give me wipe, son. Hello, I'm gonna go wipe him off. We need to eat it. I'm ready.
That's so disgusting, babe.
Can't go down. Oh, it's stuck on my throat.
I'm ready, you know.
Guys, this is good. Can't say you never had to smash your life. Nothing like that.
I'm ready, you know, man. I'm not nosy. I'm ready, wait. You never talk to him now. Alright, take your pants out, babes. You can't go on. Take it out your mouth.
Okay, I'm gonna use one hand.
Me that.
There. Come, let me go rinse him off. Good boy. You did so well. Oh, Faye, you did such a good job.
So they can't tap it now.
No!
Just let him go make him nasty every one place.
Why I took my hand out of the cake a while ago? I can't me at this after me make it.
Animals stay in human form. Body man, nobody like dog. But you must hustle if you want to. If no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too like dogs. No con they form say you do like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want, baby. Keeping on my fantasy.
So, we're taking some time to eat right now, but we're gonna eat and then we're gonna get you guys outside. Yeah. So, but those are the festivities. Oh my gosh. So I am all dressed. Pops in new clothes as well. And yes, we're just gonna probably leave up the if you guys see this in any more vlogs, you know why. Okay? Because we probably left them up for a day or two. then we probably pop everything and put it down. But see, yeah, we cleaned up there as well. They're gone. So, but that's it. So I'm gonna eat now, and then we're gonna head out. So we will see you guys outside. So Pops is outside testing out his new birthday gift. Eh? Look at him go in there, drop by and smile at the girls. Them. Look at him. Mario, mind a crash. Put your hand on the steering wheel. Oh gosh. So we out enjoying an evening stroll. Oh my gosh. Yay! Go, Papa, go! No man, that was there, babes.
No.
Yes, it was. We say the playground. Yes, it was.
What was not there?
The playground.
That was there.
It's
right?
always there. Look, you see Nate's paint? Look, of course.
The monkey bars?
Bars,
Yeah.
yes.
They've always been
It
there.
must be-
Nobody did.
It was there, Mario, the whole thing.
It wasn't even
How do you not remember? It's there, right there, so we were.
Exactly.
When we had the thing.
It was.
Show you the video, I'll show you the pictures. I have videos too. Oh gosh. Guys, we're having a debate about something. I wish I could put it on this side. So it's just me, Mario, and Arissa, and Pops out. Faith is getting some stuff down. Oh look, the little kids when they come. They're looking at a car. Hey, Mario, you go crash, boy. You gotta crash one. Can mommy come drive with you? Eh? You gonna give me a ride? Yay! Baba!
Done.
He finds something. Oh, look, he's trying to hold the steering wheel now. Oh, this is too cute. Look at him.
We couldn't steering wheel. Nothing.
Look at him. Baba, you're crashing. Oh, no, hold on to the steering wheel now.
Look, he's doing it with one hand.
Wow. Ray, go, Pop. You're coming back?
One hand.
You're coming back? Yeah! Look at him drive! Come on! You coming? Yay! Yeah, run that over! Yay! Oh, that's too cute. Look out, there's a bicycle, babe, on. Papa! Papa just cruising, guys. So, Pops. Hi, Papa! Look, you're much bigger now. Are you having fun? Hmm? Yay! Did I push you on the swing? Huh? I'll go build one for you back home. Eh? Yeah, I'll go build him one, babes. But they have the free ones, you know, you can buy. Yay! Put that down. Please.
No. Turn the officer. Can come.
You bring the remote control, come turn off the car.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
No. Oh gosh.
No, you can't chop it. You can't chop it.
You're too big. So it's the end of the night. We are tired. Oh, look at Mr. Williams' face. Oh, we got home. We all showered. So everybody showered. And we just wanted to do the last bit of Pop's celebration. Doggy. No, it's teddy bear. Oh, he thinks it's a dog on his cake. Look, guys. So let me show you the cake. There is the cake, guys. Faith did such a beautiful job. So proud of her. Ah! Yay, Faith.
Let's cut it.
Okay, so we are going to get ready to cut the cake and sing happy birthday. Ready? Light it. Are you ready, Pops? Sing it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Romario. Happy birthday to you. Are you one? Done. Yay! Blow it out, Pop. Blow it out. Go. Blow it out. Blow it out. Hey. Sparkling so much. It is done. Yay! Did you make a wish? Oh God! It's okay, Papa. Oh God! They're frightening you.
Oh shit, it's hot.
Yeah, you're supposed to pick up the bottom fit. Oh my God! You okay, Papa? Oh, they frighten you? Okay, let's go. Come with the knife so you can cut it. Are you gonna use the cake cutter?
What
For
cake
him?
cutter?
The something there. The silver cake one. Make Papa cut it cake. Come, you and Dada cut the cake.
Ta. It's not edible.
That one's the edible, Dada. Okay, come. You and Dada cut the cake. Come.
You want to come here?
You should have bite beer.
Go bite beer. That's so beautiful.
Put the stuff on here.
Yeah, come cut the cake, Papa. Ready?
You mean not put that? Yeah, come.
No, it didn't. Yay!
Pick up the clothes. Pick up the clothes. It's okay.
It's okay. Go. Yay! What's going on here?
Hey, I don't feel cake. If smash like you want on the ground, you know?
I know, this is not the same cake, buddy. This is all the cake for all of us to eat now.
No, wait.
Good boy.
Yay! You done ball now?
No, it...
Yeah. One.
Good. One? How old are you today? Are you one? Are you one? Say yes, I am one. Oh God.
It looks
Oh gosh. Put up the key. Say I'm one.
There's so much to take out of the cake.
Now they have to take off all the niceness off the cake. Oh.
Someone says don't eat.
Huh? Too bad these weren't edibles.
Edibles? Edibles.
Whatever you call them as.
You mean edible? Not edibles.
Yeah.
Edibles is weed.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna get stone
Help
high.
Papa, help him.
If him help him, go put the whole hand in the cake.
Help, take it
Think
out.
of the clouds. Because they don't eat the boy there. Oh, yeah.
Yay! Clap when it's all finished. Yay, good boy. Get ready to eat. Okay, cut the other side. Cut your first piece.
I think you want a good knife.
You want? Where's the knife to cut it? Over there.
Yeah.
Pass that one. Which? I don't even know which one. The bread knife. That one. What one's that?
It doesn't matter. Oh my gosh, Mario.
The thick cake piece.
That's a thick ass piece. What?
Nothing, Mario. Wasn't he the one that was sleeping and he's like, why you never cut the cake? Romario, say that I'm supposed to get the first bite. No, we didn't bite already. No, that one's a different piece.
Yum yum.
Oh. Say, how was your birthday, Pops? Did you enjoy yourself? Did you enjoy your birthday? Yay! Enjoy your birthday, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed his first birthday. As you can see, Memphis is not here. He's away. So that is why he is not here. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's festivities yeah, we just decided to leave these bad boy up and that on the wall for now. But at least everything else is all clean. So,
Look at here.
Papa, and then look pan feet to cut up the cake. So what we're gonna do now is just hang out, eat cake, and watch a movie.
What do you watch movie?
Me, I go watch a movie. Well, Maria's gonna eat and go to
Me like
sleep.
at me.
Oh no, there's something where you touch. It burn.
No, it's cause the dent
Oh,
in her
the
face
dent.
from
Oh, from the cake.
Your fault.
Yeah.
Go.
So that is what we're going to do. I hope you guys enjoy today's festivities. You know, just
Romario, see if you slice or so. You want
we
to
will see you guys tomorrow for the next adventure. Bye.